Hello, this is a two-part video. The first part of this video, we're going to be talking about text organization and how some authors will organize the text. And then the second part of the video will be the story, Have You Heard the Nesting Bird? And I'll be reading that to you, and we'll be looking at examples of how the author uses text organization to help the reader better understand the story. But first, let's look at an anchor chart of text organization that we'll be looking at. And we see here that an author will use one type of organization that an author uses is description. And informational text, like we're going to be reading, Have You Heard the Nesting Bird, is an informational text, and they have a structure or type of organization that fits the topic and the author's purpose. And description is one type of structure or organization that an author uses. And when they do that, they will describe. For example, we're going to be looking at a bird. It might tell you what the bird feels like. It might tell you what the bird acts like, sounds like, smells like, or looks like. And so we'll be looking at that today as we listen to the story, Have You Heard the Nesting Bird?